Hey y'all, it's me Nita and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, in today's video, I want to share with y'all 6 easy and simple steps in making and styling a very plush, luxurious, and cozy hotel-like bed. So let's not waste any more time, y'all, and let's go ahead and get started. So guys, right now the bed is completely empty. I have nothing here but just the bare mattress. And then what I want to first do is spray my mattress first with some Lysol, and then I also want to spray it with this Febreze sanitizing fabric refresher. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to go ahead and spray the mattress first with this. Just let this air dry for about 10 minutes before I add in my mattress protector. Okay, so first guys, I am going to go ahead and put my mattress protector on the bed. Okay y'all, so the next step is adding on your sheet set. And first let me take the time to tell you that this video is sponsored by BROOKLINEN. BROOKLINEN offers luxurious bedding at an affordable price, y'all, and who doesn't want a good high quality sheet set? So y'all, they sent out to me BROOKLINEN's Luxe Hardcore Sheet Bundle. I can't wait to try this. So with the hardcore sheet bundle comes a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, 2 pillowcases, 1 duvet cover, and actually 2 extra pillowcases. Also included is a nice little booklet which gives you details about all of their products. This Luxe Hardcore sheet set is 100% long staple cotton featuring a rich buttery smooth weave, which is their best-selling Luxe sateen sheets. It also features a luxurious 480 thread count with a slightly luminous finish. All of the information for BROOKLINEN and this sheet set bundle will be in my description box below. And guys, you'll be able to save $20 on a purchase of $100 or more by using my discount code NITA20. Okay, y'all, so I've washed all of the bedding because that is what they recommended. So I washed all of the bedding and I dried everything on low. And also, guys, the bedding is 100% cotton, and I must say that it does feel quite soft. It actually feels softer out of the dryer than coming out of the package. So we're going to go ahead and make the bed with this sheet set. So you gotta go check them out, y'all. They have several collections. They even offer bathrobes, bath towels, comforters, and pillows. They are even giving my viewers $20 off any orders over $100 by using my code NITA20. Y'all, I'm gonna have all of that information in my description box below with the link that'll take you right there, y'all. Be sure to go on over and check them out, child, so you can get you some new sheets for spring and summer. Let's go finish making this bed. And one more thing, guys, I'm gonna need y'all to stay to the end of this video because tonight I am going to test these sheets out. I am gonna sleep on these sheets tonight, but tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and film my review, but I'm gonna add it to the end of the video. So make sure you watch this entire video to the end so that you'll get my honest review on BROOKLINEN. quilt or your blanket, or you can add a very light comforter. I was gonna do a quilt, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna use a comforter for this part because I want that extra plush, cozy look. So I'm gonna go with the comforter. Okay guys, so the next step is adding on your duvet. And again, this duvet is from Brooklinen. It's so nice, y'all. So I've already filled this duvet in with 2 duvet inserts off camera, cause y'all know filling in a duvet is a tedious job. I mean, y'all, I be like all inside the duvet trying to stretch out the insert inside, and I'm climbing back out. You know, I gotta find an easier way to do this. But I also want to share with y'all, I put 2 inserts inside of this duvet. So I added 2 inserts because again, I want to create this plush, comfy, hotel-like look and feel. So let's go ahead and add the duvet to the bed. Hey guys, I'm just dropping back in again to say thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching and always tuning in. I want to say thank you so much to my current subscribers who just keep returning week after week after week after week. I thank you guys so much and I love you. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and take the time to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to like the video. That really helps out my channel. And also guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be reminded each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much again and keep watching. Okay, so now that we got the duvet all set on the bed, I'm gonna add this king size throw at the foot of the bed. So the last step is now adding in your accent pillows, and you can add as many or as little as you like. It's up to your liking. For this style, I am gonna go with the Max decorative throw pillows just to give it that plush look that I'm going for. So again, you can use as many pillows as you like or as little as you like. Okay, y'all, I am back. It is Saturday morning, and I told y'all I was going to come back so that I can give y'all a review on these Brooklinen sheets, y'all. And you know what? The hubby and I, we have already been up. We've been out of bed. We had our coffee. He's gone and got his day started. But child, I said, I'm going to come back and get in these Brooklinen sheets for about another hour or so. Oh my God. They slept really, really good, y'all. They are super incredible. They're soft, they're silky, and this 50 and over thing for me, y'all, have my nights hot. I'm cold, I'm hot. I'm cold. I stick my feet out of the cover, I'm cold. I stick my feet in the cover, I'm hot. But these sheets, y'all, they keep you warm, but they also keep you nice and cool. So I really slept really well on these Brooklinen sheets, y'all, last night. And of course, you guys saw how I made the bed. Of course, we don't sleep with all of those covers and blankets and duvet. It's just too much. Maybe during the winter months and the northern states and the states where it gets really cold, you guys utilize all that. But here in South Florida, we really don't need all of this cover even in the winter months. So I just pretty much fold all of it down to the end of the bed, and then we only sleep on the top sheet, and this is the Brooklinen top sheet. And then the throw, this is a king size throw, and I showed you guys that I put this at the foot of the bed when I styled the bed yesterday. And then this is what we sleep under. So it's very light, and it keeps us really cool. But sleeping in between the Brooklinen fitted sheet and the top sheet, y'all can tell me I was not in a 5-star hotel last night. But these sheets are really, really comfortable. I'm really, really happy with them. And again, I want to thank Brooklinen for sending out this this bundle to me. I really, really love your sheets. And so guys, what I'm going to do, while hubby is out there, I guess probably cutting the yard or something. I don't know what he's doing, but y'all, I will take advantage of this Saturday morning. I'm gonna stay in my bed for another hour or so, and right now I have my iPad and I am looking for a good book to read. I just finished my other book the other night, so I'm looking for a good book. If you guys are readers and you have a good book that you want to suggest to me, let me know. I love thrillers, suspense, and mysteries, so let me know what you're reading. And again, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.